What's going on, folks? It's Dave with Funtown. I want to take a minute to show you the 2025 20FBS Rockwood GEO Pro right here. This thing is meant for that adventurous tote, whether it's for those adventurous couples or that single guy or that single lady who wants to get out there and go up the mountains. Who knows? As you can see, here comes pre-standard with the bike rack. You get your solar 200 watts already ready to go for you. That's not something that you have to worry about when you're going up those mountains. When you get your passenger storage here, this thing is built tough like all Rockwoods are. 6-sided aluminum construction, fully walkable roof. You get your all-terrain tires. So if you are looking to go on that off-roading trip, I mean, this is the thing for you. But come on in, take a look inside. Here you have that bed right here, fully comfortable. Big thing you want to take a look at, storage right here. This thing is meant for that adventurous type. If you're looking to take that minimalistic style, this thing is perfect for you. Take a look in, bare necessities, everything you need. None of that extra stuff, but so as you can see here in that Rockwood, you're not skimping on anything here. You're getting everything you need, a little bit extra. You get your movable TV here, whether you want to lay on the bed or you want to sit here or turn that into a futon and lay on down. Whatever you want to do, it's perfect. Your 3-burner stove here. You do get your fridge. You can keep whatever items you want cool. With that solar providing that trickle charge, you can actually keep all your items fresh, ready to go. Take a look inside this bathroom here. I mean, just plenty of space here. I mean, what else can you ask for? You got your sink here, you got your shower here. Once you get off after that mountain trek, come on in, get refreshed. Big thing about Rockwood, like I was saying, safety is #1 for them. I mean, as you can see here, they have the Westlake BP tires. Whether you're going off-road or you're hitting the streets, this thing is perfect for you. I mean, they have a automotive braking system that provides 50% more braking power than most other travel trailers. I mean, that's just a huge boon on safety right there for you. That's not something that you're gonna wanna miss out on. Perfectly covered underbelly here with heated tanks. I mean, this thing is going to be perfect. When you take this thing into the mountains and you're like sitting out there in the wintertime, you're not going to have to worry about your tanks busting. I mean, this thing is perfect, whatever you're using it for. You can't go wrong with the Rockwood, especially with the GEO Pro. So as you can see here in that Rockwood, you're not skipping on anything here. You're getting everything you need, a little bit extra. You get your movable TV here.